Welcome to Trinity's GL Account Master Data Management, also known as Trinity's GL Account MDM. It is part of Trinity's multi-domain MDM and provides industry-leading governance. Let's first log in to the Trinity portal. As part of the installation, all the Flexfield structures will automatically be loaded and will have predefined workflows based on qualifiers, such as accounting, cost center, balancing segment, etc., for each segment. Here, we can see all the structures in a single page for the Vision Demo database. We start this demonstration by creating a new account, which is done by defining a range and a child value. All we need to do is drag and drop the account node onto the canvas and provide the details. Based on the account classification, an email will be sent to the respective manager with all the details needed to either approve or reject the request for an account. Now we are going to add a range to this parent value. Next, let's define a child and attach to this range. Triniti MDM will validate and check that the value is in the range and will not allow you to proceed in case the value is not. We can see that some fields, such as account type and classification, were copied automatically from the parent. Once we save the changes, an approval email will be sent to the owner of the account classification. Here in this demo, we have considered J. Smith, a manager, as the owner. Let's look at the approval email sent to J. Smith. The email has all the information. J. Smith can either approve or reject the request. Let's approve the request for these account values. Once approved, the required values will be saved into Oracle in real time. As soon as data is successfully exported to Oracle, the requester will be notified. Let us validate these entries in Oracle. Query the respective structure and segment. Query the newly created parent value. Now we can see that range was added to the parent. We can see that child was also added to the parent. We can also query an existing account and can add ranges and children to it. Let's take a quick look at that by querying the same value which we added earlier in this demonstration and add a new child range to it. The process is repeated again for approval. Let's query the parent value and look for the newly added range and value. We also have a provision to disable or enable existing value with proper approval mechanism. Let's query the account value we just created and disable it. Once the details are saved into the system, a notification will be sent to the respective manager with the required information. On approval, the respective values will be disabled. We will verify this in Oracle once again. Triniti MDM for GL account also comes with GL 360-degree reports, where we can see the complete data for all structures and all ledgers. We can look for a combination with a particular value and view the transactions and balances by period. We can also take a look at the summary reports by structure. Triniti GL MDM comes with an audit report for added compliance. Additionally, Triniti GL Account MDM comes with a dashboard to display showstoppers for period close. Here we can see all the stoppers for all modules in a single screen. If we drill down at each cell level, it shows the transactions that are impacting period close. Each cell is associated with an SQL query that can be executed on a schedule to retrieve data, which is shown in the dashboard. We can select with the retrieved data and send it to the owner responsible for correcting the errors. Triniti GL Account MDM is a configurable MDM with the ability to define workflows, approvals that fit your business. While it comes with the minimum required attributes, you can add more attributes and use them for rules to route your workflows and govern your GL master data. Contact us at www.triniti.com/Oracle Master Data Management Software or email us at info@triniti.com to request a detailed demo or a POC. Thank you for watching the Triniti GL Account MDM demo.